What's going on, guys? So my apologies for the lack of absence yesterday. I am a little bit under the weather, so do bear with me here. I am a little bit short breath. I caught a bad cold, and these allergy seasons are killing me now. I want to update you guys here real quick on the Qs and the SPY. I want to show you two wave counts for each one of them, but unfortunately, we have broken below invalidation, so the likelihood of us breaking lower is there. So in this video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna review those two wave structures. One of which is going to tell us the short-term downside versus the longer term downside. So before we dive into the analysis, guys, consider subscribing to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. As you know, it'll help this channel grow. So real quick here, the Qs. The Qs now, where we left off last time is that this was the wave 4 in the primary degree, right? We had the wave 4 here. This was the wave 1. We were looking for this the wave 2, and then we wanted to get out of here, right? This was around the 78.6 to no, between the 618 and the 78.6, which was around somewhere here. We since then haven't validated. This wave 2 went way too deep and crossed below its origin of wave 1. It didn't even try attempted to break above, but rather holding there. Now the way I'm viewing this, guys, is that this is the likelihood, right, from our December 21 high, ABC to the W. So we're in the complex correction, right? ABC, so 333. So ABC to W, ABC to X, and now A, B, and C. So 5 ways down to the wave C. So likely we have more downside. Those targets to the downside will come down towards a bit south of 314, which is equality to the wave A, and then the 1618 anywhere between 314 and 295 and the triple Qs. All right, as an alternate version of this count, what I'm looking for is that perhaps the old count is suggesting that we are going to still be within the wave 3 now. Instead of this being an ABC into the wave 3 and 4, this is the wave 1 and 2 of a triangle leading diagonal. Now, I've touched base on this alternate version of this count a couple of days ago. If you guys don't mind, take a look at that video, which was posted, I believe, on Thursday of last week, suggesting that everything from the COVID lows to this point, to December to the high, ran in a 3-wave, and thus leading us to believe that the end of the cycle is going to be in the ending diagonal. So if that's the case, this is a 3-wave pullback into the wave 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 to the A, ABC to the C of B, and now we have 1, 2, 3. The third wave has a little bit more downside to go, but as we are nearing the wave, the equality, right? But we have room to run towards the 1618, which comes down to the $295 region. And we hold support here due to the fact that Meta or Facebook reported good earnings today, and that may bring the market up a little bit coming to this the few days ahead of us. Then the wave 4 is our guide into letting us know if this wave 4 surpasses the territory of wave 1, then obviously we may have in our hands a completed wave 2 or a completed wave 4. Whichever the case may be, we will know relatively soon. So I am favoring, unfortunately, discount. I will say that it is not the best, but it is the best longer term. Short term, it is a little bit more painful because we have downside support down to the 290 to 288. All right, so a little bit more pain to the downside. Over to the SPY. Oh, and the reason why, let me just take you over to the TQQQs. All right. Excuse me. Wow, my apologies. Taking over to the daily time frame. So this was a good illustration as to why. So in our main bullish count, this was the 1, 2, right? This is the 3, 4, and 5 to the cycle degree wave 3. Okay, so cycle degree wave 1, cycle degree 2, 3, and now we're looking for 4. Excuse me. Now we're looking for the degree wave 4 in the cycle degree, but this is illustrating what? That we haven't validated where it would have been the wave 1. All right, we've already closed below it. That's why I'm saying that I'm leading my expectations and my hunch into that this is an ABC into the 1. All right, leading diagonals have 3 waves. All right, if you guys don't know, please take a look at the Elliott wave guidelines, because and the diagonals will develop in 3 ways. So 1, 2, and 3 into the 1, 1, 2, 3, or ABC into the 2, and likely for the same for wave 3 into ABC, ABC to the 4, ABC into the 5, and then boom, we go. So the same deal goes for the Qs, right? Although the Qs have not invalidated that wave structure that I was telling you about, right? But we are looking for the wave 2 down here. So we haven't, price action has not invalidated, but we are very, very close. We're about 3.5%, almost 4%. Over to the SPY. The SPY, same deal, ABC to the 1, taking you down to the 1 hour time frame, guys. The 1 hour time frame lets us know that we have the A, B, and C, 1, 2, for the downside to go to the 1618. We've already reached a 100% extension, a little bit past beyond it of this wave 2 and wave 1 and 2. All right, holding support at the lows here of March and March the 11th. Likely we'll see a bounce and then we fade lower. Otherwise, our alternate account, which was our suggested wave structure 1-2, has been invalidated since. All right, guys. So over to the Dow. The Dow is displaying a little bit more of a complex also. So I've revisited this wave structure. So ABC to the W, ABC to the X, and now what are the wave structures to the downside? 310.34 is my downside support. Likely we hold this zone here at the lows between this area and this low. So that if we don't break that, this may still very well be the wave 1, ABC to the 2, and then we go. So maybe value stocks are showing us a little bit more of strength, but at this point in time, we are not looking good for the rest of the indices. All right, guys. So thank you so much for tuning in. I do apologize for my voice right now and for the speed of this video, but I just wanted to get out this update for you. If you guys have any questions, please leave your comments down below. I'd love to hear from you. Take care. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.